Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to ForgottenWeapons.com. Rather than our typical sort of daily gun video today, instead I want to let you know that today is the very last day of the pre-sale for my book, Chassepot to FAMAS, French Military Rifles 1866 to 2016. So, if you have been sick of seeing French rifles so often this month, well, you're in luck because we're going to lay low on that for a little while. If you're sick of hearing about book advertisements, you're also in luck because this is the last one that you'll get for a very long time, because this is your very last chance to pre-order the book. The pre-sale ends at approximately midnight tonight. That's in, 19 hours approximately from when this video posts. There is, of course, a link in the video description to the Kickstarter there. I do want to remind you that during the pre-sale on Kickstarter, you can get the book for a substantial discount over the regular retail price. Definitely worth your while to pick up a copy now. We blew through such an incredible number of stretch goals that the book looks amazing. We've got all sorts of cool upgrades. We've got book plates, we've got gilded pages, we've got an awesome tricolor bookmarker ribbon. Most of those are going to be in the retail edition, but not quite all of them. If you take a look on the Kickstarter page, you can see a layout of exactly what's in the exclusive Kickstarter pre-order version and what's going to be in the retail version later on. But I'm super excited. So, of course, the one other thing is that tonight I will be doing a live stream with my dad, who has also written a book on firearms history, specifically Japanese firearms, Japanese rifles of World War II. So we're going to be live streaming the last couple hours of the Kickstarter, drinking some French cocktails and assorted other interesting French alcohol and probably a little bit of scotch as well. The whole experience, honestly, has been just amazing. The support that I got from you guys through it just really blew my mind, blew Nick and James's minds over at Headstamp, my two partners at Headstamp Publishing. It's phenomenal. We are, at this point, I'm predicting, because I'm filming this the night before, but I'm predicting at this point, we are the #2 most funded publishing project ever on Kickstarter. Now, there is a slim chance we could hit #1. I think it's a pretty slim chance, but it could happen. So if you want to see that happen, of course, today is your very last chance. Anyway, everyone who has signed up for the Kickstarter, everyone who has ordered a book, as well as everyone who is in my Patreon supporter group, all of you guys will get a link to the live stream when it starts this evening. So I can't actually create that link until I actually start the live stream. So as soon as it starts, you'll get that either in a Patreon update or a Kickstarter backer-only update. If you are one of the people who has supported the book directly through BackerKit so that you can pay via PayPal, we'll be emailing those out to you when the Kickstarter starts. If you decide you want to pick up a book during that live stream, as long as you do so through Kickstarter, you'll be able to go in, see the backer update, and get the link. If you do pick up a copy through BackerKit during the live stream, unfortunately, we have no practical way to get you that link while the live stream is going on. So, sorry, but only an option for patrons and people on the regular Kickstarter book page. Anyway, I am rambling on. I am super excited about the book. It's going to be phenomenal, and hopefully you'll be a part of it. If you already are a part of it, you have my greatest thanks. You'll be getting an awesome product, and I look forward to shipping it to you. Thanks for watching.